Good morning, class 5th. Here we are going to read 6th part and the last part of this chapter. This chapter is chapter 5 and the name of this chapter is Breathing Deeply. So here in the previous class we have understood how our breath helps us. Now in this class we have to read Riya Wants to Know. So students, open page number 24 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read Riya Wants to Know. Let's see what does Riya want to know. Discuss why we do these things. First, a popcorn seller finds the burning pieces of coal. So a popcorn seller finds the burning pieces of coal because the oxygen enters the coal and increases the amount of heat. Now the question 2. Why do we blow hard on a folded pieces of cloth? You can say, why do we blow hard on a hanky and put it on our eyes if they are hurting? So we blow hard on a folded pieces of cloth and put it on the eyes because the coming air from our mouth has water vapor and it absorbs moist from our surrounding, and on cloth it condenses and gives feeling of coolness to our eyes. Is that clear, students? Now the question 3rd. Why do we blow on spectacles before cleaning them with cloth? Here you have to underline spectacles. Spectacles means eyeglass. So the answer of question 3rd is people often blow out air on their spectacles before cleaning them because they blow hot air from the mouth and the hot air in contact with cooling surface, that is eyeglass, converted to the small droplets of water. This water helps to clean the glasses of the spectacles. Is that clear, students? Now we are going to read breathe well. The oxygen we breathe in is essential to turn food into energy. Breathing well helps us to stay healthy. Hence, it is very important to breathe in fresh air. So, we have understood that the oxygen in the air that we breathe and take inside the body helps to convert or turn our food into energy. So we should always breathe in fresh air, which makes us healthy. Now here are some points. Let's read them. We should always breathe in through the nose and not the mouth. The nose has hair that act as filters. They do not let dust particle enter your lungs. So we should always breathe in through the nose and not the mouth, because the nose has hair that act as filters for the air and these hairs do not let dust particles enter in our lungs. Okay. Now the 3rd, never cover your head while sleeping. So we should never cover our head while sleeping. Now the 3rd, go for a walk early in the morning when the air is clean. do some deep breathing exercises. So we should go for a walk, morning walk, early in the morning when the air is clean, and we should do some deep breathing exercises. Now read and reflect. So here we are going to revise the whole chapter. Number 1, all living things need a breath to stay alive. Number 2, the process of respiration involves inhalation and exhalation, which we have understood. Turn the page. We have understood that the air we breathe in is rich of oxygen. The air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide. We have understood heart is the pumping organ of the body. It pumps blood to each body part. Blood carries oxygen to all parts of the body and carries back carbon dioxide to the lungs. And we have seen that our breathing speed changes with different activities. We have studied that we use our breath to cool things and to help fire to burn. And we have learned that it is important to breathe well to stay healthy. So that's all for today class. In the next class we will see exercise time of chapter 5. So thank you class.